Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwat Kalalong Lahduh Dakabakalayo man Korea Bundli Kusnam Hakani Chief Minister District Level in the School Athletics Meet Arjar Pulai Kamalapnia the Office Jong District Sports Officer Jong Southwest Khas District Kabagila Pelong Hamadan Site Malongwer Southwest Khas District Hani kasing program Kalalong Layaj Be Yarinti Lingbar Jingwan Pensengan Deki Kena School Bafer Haringkat Kinong Hikai Blawan Man Sim Jong Kena Kibawan Manishimenta Hakani kasing Lawan ban penha perdano ia kini dak kong Wai Maulong EDC Southwest Khas District haringka dak jingdan lang uba damang sengkon badiru DSO ke Southwest Khas District ba di Mauleng DSP Southwest Khas District berkiwe di ofisa sarkar bilawan mensaki lang hakani kesengi
I congratulate everyone, right from the headmaster, headmistress of the different schools, the teachers, and especially the students for taking part in this program. And I'm sure that all of you must have had a really good time in competing with one another. As we know, Maukarwat is a place which produces a lot of sportsmen. And I'm sure this is a very good opportunity for all of you to see and to nurture that hidden talent within each and every one of you.